Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the flashlight on your Samsung phone. So if you just unlock your phone just like this, you should have the option just swipe down from the top right, and you can see we have the option for flash right here under the button. So that's the easiest way to just go ahead and just find that setting right there, so you can just turn it on or off. So all your Android phones are going to have that flashlight setting with the buttons. Now you can go through settings too. You might have another option for a flashlight in here if you just go to search and type in light. And sometimes you can, change your buttons around, so you can press a button on the side here or do some sort of option where you swipe and it will turn on the light, or if you flick it or something like that. So it says night light, airplane mode, eye comfort shield, and you might have to turn on flashlight or something like that to find the specific button. So let's do that, flashlight. And then we should be able to find the options for it. Flash, light. So we go to this and see what pops up under our settings, see if there's anything for that. And it doesn't seem like there's any settings for my Samsung phone for this. So we can see screen flash, flash notification, camera flash, but that's it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.